Today is Thursday, August 15th, 2019. We're at 9915 Blackburn in Livonia. We're going to do a diagnostic televise of the sewer. You can see we have a PVC and a cast iron cleanouts. The PVC is the sanitary cleanout. As you can see, the floor was broke in this area. That was to remove a house trap. There was a liner installed in this line in 2006. We're going to do an initial video from here out to the city main. Again, this is the 4-inch PVC. You can see where we tied on to cast iron. And here's where we tie in with the storm system. And you can see here is the start of the liner. Okay, so you can see at the start of the liner there, we need to make a little patch to seal it to the cast iron. We are going to flush a toilet once just to clear our lens before we continue our televise. Okay, you can see here we have just a little bit of water left from flushing the toilet as to clear our lens. Now you can see we're in the pipe where it was lined. And you see here on the right, you can see what's almost a small fold mark. That is from the plastic sleeving that goes between the liner and bladder. And sometimes that causes a small wrinkle in the liner. As you can see, the liner is smooth. Now you can see we're actually in, you can see this is larger here. This is the 6-inch clay tile that was lined. And we're going to continue our televise out to the city main. We also will go ahead and continue to record as we pull back. Again, you can see some of the lines that you see here are from the plastic sleeving that goes between the liner and protects the bladder during installation. Okay, here you can see we're looking at the city main. You can see here's our turn down into the main. Also, it looks like possibly the city main itself was lined. We are going to go ahead and pull back. We will continue to record. Again, you see here, these are the lines that are caused by the folds in the plastic protective sleeving that's between the liner and the bladder. Okay, here you can see up on the top, this is from, you can see there was a cable that was ran through, and this is from the cable. When it gets on the top like that, there's really not a whole lot to clear it, as you know, water flow is usually from the 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock position depending on how heavy flow is. So there was no use on this sewer. There's nobody currently in the house, so it's going to be hard to get the discoloration from cabling off of the liner. But the liner does appear to be in very good shape. It is full open. It's smooth all the way to the city main. Again, you see we do have right here, as you can see, this is where the liner actually transitions from the clay tile to the cast iron piping. You can see the difference here in the size. Again, some of the lines that you see are again from the folds in the plastic that the liner is put in with. And here you can see this is the area where we need to just seal the start of the liner to the cast iron.